Stoneworks Canada getting ready to excavate and install a beautiful new driveway from pavers with Unilock. Of course, we got preparation done already. Those are the empty bins that most of the soil and refuse goes through. There is a little bit of advertising for Brooks Landscaping. Of course, Stoneworks Canada van is always there. Here is what's gonna happen within very few short days. Oh, Lindy is already taking with the machine, putting it in the bins. This girl doesn't sleep. See? And there we go, loading the bin. See, we are loading it and zooming back to another load. We have to excavate approximately 800 square feet of backyard for the patio, and there'll be a beautiful sidewalk, walkway, as indicated here. This is gonna be the walkway, the patio, excellent patio. Little bit of damage to the neighbor's grass. Of course, stoneworkscanada.com will resort it again, and that's the show up. You see how it goes beautifully. Beautifully done. Fantastic. When you have a machine, it goes the right way. Yeah. Full perfection. When you have a girl like that zooming around, she knows what to do. She knows what to do. And there is my other client. Okay, that's stoneworkscanada.com.